Watching videos is something that we constantly do and, well, we love to do. Whether it be funny videos, educational ones, or even make money online types of video. Well, what if I told you that you can actually get paid just by doing something you love, which is watching videos over and over again? Would you believe me? Well, that is just what I will show you in today's video. For today, I am going to show you a strategy that is 100% free and which works worldwide. But that's just not it. The best part is you just need your phone, your tablet, or even your computer to watch videos, and you easily get paid through your PayPal account. You don't even need any experience or any skills to do this strategy, and this is perfect for beginners. One video can earn you up to $3. For 20 videos, you will earn $60. And if you can push it to over 200 videos a day, then you can earn up to $600. Amazing, right? So if you are looking for something just like that, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So for today's video, our main way of making money is, well, through what you are currently doing right now, watching videos. With this website, we will be rewarded for doing a bunch of tasks that are quite easy, such as playing games, taking surveys, and as I said, watching videos. But that's just not it. Just by making a decision to sign up to this website that I am gonna show to you today, you will immediately earn $1 as a bonus. Amazing! You get free money immediately just by actually choosing to sign up to this website. Additionally, with their new rewards program, you will actually get their own type of coins that you can pile up and earn money. This usually will be through doing very simple things like, as I said, trying out new games and answering different survey questions. But you may ask, how will I then get paid? That's simple. You can choose to be paid via your PayPal account, Bitcoin, or even through e-gift cards. Amazing, right? I actually suggest that you choose PayPal over all these options, as PayPal just helps you out a lot, especially with online purchases. And it is also relatively available worldwide. So through just playing games, answering surveys, you can already earn a lot of money. But we will focus more on watching videos as it is very easy. And I know a lot of you love to do it. So let's get started to know what this website is. So for today's website, there are a lot of amazing ways you can go with this. But let's focus on watching videos and making money online. Well, as with any website, we would have to first create an account to get started. So this right here. Then you should sign up right here and input in the necessary information like your first name, email address, then choose your own username and your password. Then you can see right here that when you click on this drop down arrow here in the countries section, you can see that there are a lot of countries available in here. So we know for a fact that it is available worldwide. So you will just select your country and that's it. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. So here on this page, we can see all their surveys and different offers. They actually give out among the best payout rates in the industry. And I mean the best. GG2U gives out around 65 to 85%, wherein if you compare it to other websites that only give around 40 to 60%. That is a huge difference, and which is what differentiates GG2U from its competitors and makes it a great website to make money with. So after all that is done, you will just tick the box wherein it says that you have to agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement of this website, and it will bring us to this page. And by the way, this website is gg2u.org. So after you have signed up, you will then be redirected to this page. As you can see, they will give you $1 for every 100 coins that you actually earn. Additionally, if you can reach $7, then guess what? You can already immediately request a payout for the payment option you prefer. Just like that. And I will show you on this next page how you can immediately start making money on this website, so stick with me. So the next step is to click on continue right here. Then you will then proceed to logging in with the account you registered with. Once you are in, this is what you will actually see. If you look up here at this bar above right here, they have already given me $1 just by signing up to this website. And we can see below that there are a ton of offers that this website has, especially for you. There are some of the largest and best companies around the world that makes this website even more reliable. You can now do these offers and earn a lot of money doing so. But remember, that is not our goal. Our focus is to watch videos and earn money. So what you are gonna do is click on the section right here where it says videos. You will then be brought onto this page right here, and we can see it says for every 200 video points you earn, you will receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. That's amazing! What I like about this website is that there is a wide array of different genres and types of videos that you can choose from. We have here, for example, food, sweets, music, and a lot more. You can just choose what you would like to watch, and there you go. So what you will do next is click on this button right here and just pick whatever you would like to watch. So let's say we pick this one right here. Then what's gonna happen is it will bring me to their website where that specific video is found, and we then just need to stay on this page for maybe around 30 seconds or so. Then our points will actually start to reflect on our account. As easy as that. Amazing, right? For those that stayed with me until this point of the video, I will now share with you a bonus tip which will help you double or even triple your income, which is watching multiple videos at the same time, so that our points will just easily pile up into our account, and it will be much easier to earn a lot of money. So what you want to do is open these videos on different tabs or windows. If you have multiple devices at home, then that will also help you out a lot. So just watch different videos throughout different devices at the same time, and you will start earning money. Just as easy as that. Amazing, right? And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!